Hi everyone, it's Kino here. I'm with Paige and we're going to talk to you about a small part of the practice of Eka Pada Sirsasana, which is how to jump your foot around. So let's start off in downward facing dog. Now, unlike most Ashtanga yoga jump throughs, we don't jump through straight legs. We're going to jump the right foot around and the left foot forward. So Paige, let's try. And we jump. Right, and then exhale down. Now, for some of you who don't practice Ashtanga yoga, you might recognize this asana as the elephant trunk pose. So let's actually just try from seated, put the knee back and place it on the shoulder, and we just try to kind of catch the balance here. Take the hand down, and then let's see if we can leave this foot on the ground and then send the hips back and up. Now, more people will be able to jump, maybe to slide the foot into this position, so we can exhale, go down. Then let's step back to downward facing dog. And then, if you can't jump, or if you're afraid, let's walk yourself into the elephant trunk pose. So take the right foot and put it on the outside, and then walk that left foot forward and through. You could slide it through, and then we find our way into that elephant trunk, and then exhale down. And that's our prepare for EkaPada. And eventually, we want to kind of put those pieces together. If you walk through enough times, you'll have the confidence to do the jump. You might not be able to land with both hips up. Maybe that left foot grazes the ground, but eventually, you will get there. Let's do it one more time. All right, so from downward facing dog, you want to find it in the shoulders and get that confidence in the aim. And this is Sapta. Inhale, we jump and prepare. Exhale, down. All right, keep working on this, and this will improve your strength in Eka Pada Sirsasana. If you enjoyed this breakdown, then come practice with me on my online channel, omstars.com. I would love to see you there, where you can get more in-depth instruction into the Ashtanga yoga method.